1920 Hubbard in Batavia. This is a series of light industrial and office spaces. This building had some leaks from tuck pointing. It's CMU on the inside and brick on the outside. This has caused some mold to grow on the inside of the building, where as the new tenant comes in, the landlord wants this removed. We have done a little exploratory demo here, and this entire section is 102 feet or 105 feet by 52 feet by 4.5 feet. It has to be left in a condition where if a leaf blower is run on it, it will not move. So that type of precision is going to be required, but the landlord understands it's not going to be perfect. So there's two areas, area A and area B. We are currently standing in the hallway between them. To my left here is area B, and this is area A. These offices come out except for this wall. These bathrooms stay. So these are the bathrooms. And then all of these offices come out. Currently, there's another tenant that has equipment in this space, and all of this will be removed. The acoustical ceilings come out. The lighting comes out. Where there's a whip hanging, it gets taken back to the junction box on the bar joist, and that will stay, but the whips come out. This lighting stays, but all of these walls come out. All of these offices come out. All of this equipment will be removed. These cubicles get removed. The carpeting gets removed, as well as the glue, so we're gonna need a grind. This is the way these VCT, or these actually look like linoleum tiles, are coming out. This is going to have to come out with a dingo, and then we are going to need a grind of the entire concrete in order to accept a paint finish for light industrial. Ducts stay, that wall stays, that wall and that door stays, but all of this interior comes out. That wall stays. All of these doors with metal frames, they're welded, and these are birch doors. All of these come out and make their way into a dumpster. We provide the dumpsters. As these walls come out, we are going to be left with a slightly pitted concrete where they've been bolted in. At some point during the grinding process, we have to repair that concrete. So now we're in section B, which is L-shaped. These offices here, this stays. All of these cubicles come out. This wall stays. That is that wall there. Lighting stays. Any of the electrical is going to have to get pulled back to some exterior wall. This is the mastic used. Wherever we have electrical or low voltage in the wall, that gets taken back to an exterior wall. All of this on the exterior wall stays. But these interior partition walls come out. This kitchen stays. No work in here. that wall stays, that demising wall, but these partition walls come out. There is a phone system and a data patch panel that will stay. We're going to need to just support this alarm system here as these walls come out for the next phase of work. So that alarm panel does not come out. So the notes are as follows. We remove the acoustical insulation, remove cubicles at south offices at exterior walls, take back line voltage and low voltage to exterior walls and cap, remove carpet plus grind concrete to be paint ready, patch floors where bolts at half walls, duct cleaning post-construction. So we've got all of these ducts. These are 2 rooftop units that we're going to have the duct cleaning done, plus we're going to replace the filters, and we will find out what type of filters there are. We're going to need a temporary electric panel to run our equipment. The lighting and the rooftops are behind this secured and alarmed area. That's the panel. These bathrooms are going to stay. We're going to put some type of plastic barrier here that can be accessed, or the guys can access for the bathrooms. But we're going to need some type of dedicated electrical here for our equipment, and these air scrubbers are going to have to run as that comes off. So we're going to have some temporary electric for the demolition phase, which will be left in place for the next contractors coming in to do the build out.